Our first look at the iGarden Pool Cleaner M1 AI series. Let's get started. All right guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited to show you this new pool cleaner from iGarden. The company sent it to me for a review. This is the M1 AI series. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed and get it going. Now before we fully unbox it, let's just take a look closer at the box. You can see the pool cleaner itself does look like a sports car. Here's the side of the box. You can see some of the features, the Bionic AI dual camera vision system. This is powered by a quad-core neutral engine, so it's smart, and it has an AI target system. We'll definitely look at all those features in more depth here. All right, so let's open up the box, see what's inside. All right, so the first thing you're gonna get is a set of instructions. That's looking real nice. Quick start guide. This will get us going. And we'll keep that right off to the side because we'll be referring to that. Packaging. We got the hook. So we want to retrieve your cleaner from the pool. You'll attach that to a pole. And then we'll have our box down there. This is the power supply or the charger. Let's go ahead. Open up the M1 AI series here. Wow, this thing is heavy. Yeah, this is all there. The instructions are right off to the side. So we've got the extra filter and the instructions. All right, so let's go ahead and unwrap the M1 AI. Interesting thing here too, it's not all plastic. They have this cloth, which I find interesting. Wow, this is pretty amazing. Look at the colors on this. It has like a, it's obviously, it looks like a sports car. It kind of looks like a McLaren. But look at it, the paint job on this thing. I'm impressed. This is a good looking, heavy duty pool cleaner. The paint job alone is impressive. I just can't wait to put it in the water and see what it can do. So let's get it charged up. And then I'm gonna do the 20-minute quick cleaning. We'll film some of that and see how it does with all the natural things that are in the pool that shouldn't be there, leaves, pebbles, gunk, whatever it may be. Then we'll up our game a little bit and we'll go ahead and we'll add some other things to the pool, make it a little bit harder for this pool cleaner and see what it can do. To charge this unit, you go ahead and just pull the plug right there and then you plug in. You can only plug in one way and then into the wall. All right, guys, it's the following day. I just want to mention that it's really important that you don't charge your M1 pool cleaner outside in the sunlight. You don't want that to overheat, so the company says don't charge it outside. Inside now, we actually charged this last night. It took about 4 hours to fully charge, and to turn it on, there's a power switch. It goes from left to right, and when you do that, the lights appear. Let's go ahead and look at each of these light indicators from left to right. The flashing button is the on-off setup. Next to it is the turbo mode. And then we have our cleaning mode. This is floor only. Click it again. It's wall and wire line. If I just want the wall and wire line, indicator is to the right. And if I click it one more time, it's off. It'll do everything. Moving over, we have the AI button here. And when the AI is set, it does floor only. This is part of the quick cleaning cycle. Moving over, we have the run time. If I click it once, it's an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours. You can run in AI mode 2 hours if you want. If I click it off, nothing going on, the pool cleaner will run until the battery gets low. So it'll just keep going. It'll go as long as the model you have. Moving over, there's a area for error codes. Obviously, there's no error code, so it's not showing up. And then we have our charge indicator status. Before we put the M1 AI into action, let's go ahead and just take a look at some of these features. So here you have the dual Bionic cameras in front. This is part of the AI system, which is powered by that quad neutral processor. You also have a LED light, so you can use this at night and clean in the off hours. To remove the basket, it's the top right there. You can see to open it up, just remove that latch there. Extra big, so you don't have to take out the debris every time you use the pool cleaner. There's also an extra screen in the back. So there's two screens. There's one here, and then behind that there's another screen. That back in like that. Very nice. Behind the cleaner, you essentially have two ports. This is where the water exhausts, and underneath the cleaner is where all the suction happens, right in that section right there. Then of course you have your rollers here, which is going to clean and pick up all your debris. All right guys, I think we're ready to start here. Let's go ahead and put the M1 in the pool and see how it does. Let's go ahead and turn that on. Got my lights on, and I'm going to put it on AI and set it for floor only. Take the turbo off. Go ahead, engage the power button here. You can hear it's running. Let's go ahead, help it out here in the pool. You have 3 minutes to get it in the pool. I'm just gonna lightly toss it in. You can see she's sinking down. It's actually in the spot where the pool really needs to be cleaned, in the middle section there. All right guys, let's go ahead and talk about the iGarden M1 and the energy efficiency of this pool robot. As you can hear when it first started up underwater, the inverter technology is certainly evident as it ramps up in speed. Products that use inverter technology gradually turn on and off. Think about heat pumps and other types of electronics which are super efficient because they're not just turning on and off and wasting large amounts of energy with in-brush current. Combining the inverter technology along with the M1's AI target mode creates a combined ecosystem for energy efficiency. Unlike traditional robot cleaners that simply follow a pre-programmed cleaning pattern, the M1 uses dual AI-powered cameras to actually see and identify debris on the pool floor. Instead of wasting time and energy repeatedly cleaning already clean sections, the robot detects leaves, dirt, and other debris, then navigates directly to those areas for faster and more efficient cleaning. According to iGarden, the AI target mode can remove up to 99% of visible debris in as little as 20 minutes, making it an ideal option when you want to get your pool swim ready quickly without waiting for a full cleaning cycle. All right guys, it's a couple weeks later and our pool is absolutely clean. We've been using the M1 AI all the time, both day and night. And speaking of night, one feature that impressed me during testing was the iGarden M1's ability to operate effectively after dark. Thanks to its bionic AI dual vision camera system, the robot continues to navigate and clean with confidence even in low light conditions. In the AI target mode, the robot will turn on its lights automatically to help find objects in the pool. Outside of its intelligence features, the M1 has the ability to run standard S patterns as well as climb the walls. Its dual grip traction system featuring both tracks and wheels allows it to confidently transition from pool to walls and wireline while maintaining excellent traction on a variety of pool surfaces. Looking closer at the traction system, the M1 is supported by 2 Caterpillar tracks along with 4 wheels. Powered by iGarden's Infinity Drive technology, the M1 can operate up to 16 hours on a single charge, significantly reducing the need for frequent charging and allowing it to maintain your pool for extended periods with minimal intervention. Now, one of the first things that comes to mind when using AI features is privacy and security. iGarden states that all data is processed locally on the device and not in the cloud. This allows for smart cleaning without privacy trade-offs. We used the M1 for about 2 weeks without even thinking about installing the app. The M1 can certainly function as a standalone pool cleaner, but a wealth of other options and features are available when you use the app. Advanced features such as the AI timer allows the M1 to stay in the pool and can clean every 24, 48, or 72 hours. This allows for up to 30 days of autonomous cleaning, eliminating the need to remove the M1 to charge frequently. Cleaning the basket is super easy using a simple garden hose attachment. Now I think it's time to up the game a little bit. Go ahead, add some leaves, maybe some pebbles, and make it a little bit harder for the M1 AI to do its job. So the real question is, does the AI live up to the hype? Let's take a look at the upcoming footage and watch exactly how the M1 navigates and cleans a pool in real-world conditions. Alright guys, so I'm really loving this iGarden M1 AI series pool robot. I only have a couple suggestions for the company moving forward. I went old school and used the hook for the first 2 weeks and pulled out the robot each time I wanted to inspect and clean it. This seems to have left some marks on the paint job in the handle area. I do love the paint job, so I want to keep the M1 in tip-top shape. If I had used the AI timer and smart features, this probably would not have happened. Also, I noticed in the far corners of the M1, it gets pretty sharp. I'm not concerned about puncturing a liner, but if you were to grab the robot by your hand in the handle area and then stabilize it with your other hand, one should be aware it's a little sharp in this area. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the video now. I'm really impressed with the iGarden M1 AI series. It is really an awesome pool robot cleaner, especially with the AI features. And I would highly recommend this if you're in the market for a new pool robot. Check out the links below in the description of this video if you're interested in picking up one. And that certainly helps out my channel to bring new content to everyone. Again, I want to thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day.